US strikes Yemen for second day. Houthis pledge strong response. The Houthis are a rebel group in Yemen, officially known as Ansar Allah. They originated in the northern part of Yemen and are primarily composed of Zaidi Shia Muslim. The group gained prominence in mid 2000s and has been involved in conflict with Yemeni government. Yemen is a country located on southern tip of Arabian Peninsula in the Middle East. It is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the north, the Red Sea to the west, the Gulf of Aden and Arabian Sea to the south, and Oman to the east. Let's learn about Atal Pension Yojana. The objective of scheme is to create a universal social security system for all Indians. It is administered by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority through National Pension System. Any citizen of India can join the scheme. The age of the subscriber should be between 80 to 40 years. It provides a minimum guaranteed pension ranging from 1,000 to 5,000 on attaining 60 years of age. The amount of pension is guaranteed for the lifetime to the spouse on the death of subscriber. In the event of death of both the subscriber and the spouse, the entire pension corpus is paid to the nominee. Global Biofuel Alliance was launched under India's G20 presidency. It brings together major biofuel producers and consumers such as US, Brazil and India. GBA will facilitate transfer of technologies and mobilization of international climate funds. It will help India to achieve target of E20 by 2025-26. It will contribute to the improvement of financial status of farmers and will assist in doubling farmers' income. It reinforces the fight against climate change as it will help countries to cooperate to reduce the usage of fossil fuels. US is the largest producer, followed by Brazil. India is at the 7th position. Let's learn about different generations of biofuel. First generation, it is made from food sources such as sugar, starch and vegetable oil. It includes bioalcohols, biodiesel and biogas. Second generation is produced from non-food crops or portions of food crops that are not edible and considered as waste. Examples like cellulose, ethanol and biodiesel. Third generation is produced from microorganisms like algae. Example butanol. Fourth generation, it includes the use of genetic engineering to increase the desired traits of organisms used in biofuel production. Examples like genetic engineered crop and genetically modified algae. Let's learn about Coalition of Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. It is a multi-stakeholder global partnership of national governments, UN agencies and programs, multilateral development banks and financing mechanisms, the private sector and knowledge institutions. It was launched by Indian Prime Minister at UN Climate Action Summit in 2019. It aims to promote resilience of new and existing infrastructure system to climate and disaster risks. Members include 22 countries and 7 organizations. The headquarters of CDRI is based in New Delhi.